You don't have to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take...
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I feel like it's been such a long time since I last did a beauty video, and today I come back with this beautiful Jerry curly 24-inch hair by Hurela hair. I am collaborating with them today. I will be linking all the information down below in the description box. I would love for you guys to continue watching so that you guys can see how I went ahead and styled this beautiful unit. I am like madly in love with this hair, you guys, like, but I just felt like, you know what, I'm always doing my extreme baby hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one without any baby hairs, and I am in love. It's so mature, you guys, like, look at the hairline. Is the hairline, like, the hairline came pre-plucked. I still went in with some more plucking, like it wasn't even a lot, and I just bleached the knots. Anyways, you guys are gonna see as you watch through this video. If you guys would like to see how I went on to create this beautiful look, as in hair wise, keep on watching.
Right now, I'm pushing for that moolah like a friend out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. You don't have to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable to feel us. Nah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way we could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Stallions, all the Italian stallions, with the Italian stallions, Yeah. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might ball out now. Yeah, just ball right now. Oh wow, you be calling on a weekend. I woke up like what's up on the streets and kept the bag in my pocket like a rollie. Yeah, I go slowly, but only when I pretend. All these people growing up, they wanna be us. Yeah, got me tripping like a Prius. I don't even know a lot of people selling pizzas these days. Check up for the sound of these waves. Yeah, you was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball right now. Ball right now. Think that I might just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball right now. You don't have to let the money come between us. Nah. They not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Oh my God, looking at my squad, they be acting Gucci like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up that hill that's easy. Oh my God, look at all my sauce. See me going crazy like in the 80s. Looking at me like where are all my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now. All up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a friend out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. I wanna do this shit without my friends right now. Don't have to let the money come between us. No, they not even capable to feel us. No, why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah, that way we could lean away with all the people. Yeah. All the Italians, with the Italians,
You're the only one I think about, yeah. You're the only one for me. The only one I care about, yeah. About, yeah. Thinking about you day and night, yeah. You're the only one for me. I just wanna get it right, yeah. Right, yeah. Ooh, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. Taking off to the sky, it's you and me tonight. Whoa, baby. You know there was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it, I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy.
Okay guys, this is what the hair looks like wet, but what I'm gonna do is, because I really want it like all back, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this headscarf and I am going to tie it just for a couple of minutes.
I know we got it, I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah. It's amazing how you rock the world.
Okay guys, that's me done. So I've taken the scarf out and this was my final look. I hope you guys loved and enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. Make sure you guys check out Hurela hair. I am in love with the hair. Like every time they send me a unit, I'm like, yes, that's a bomb ass unit. And this Jerry Curly 24-inch is just a bomb. So make sure you guys check it out. Obviously I love the HD lace. You guys can see how effortlessly it looks. Okay, thank you so much Hurela hair for sending me this unit. I am absolutely in love with it and I can't wait for another unit. I'll see you all on my next video. Bye now.
Baby boy, you